Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is Fruits and Vegetables. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And my dear children, today under the title of Oral Communication Skills, we are going to learn about offer and accepting apology. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have taught you how to agree or disagree politely. I hope you remember. And today we are going to extend the learning and we'll use appropriate expression in conversation to offer and accept apology. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Furqan, verse 63, for true servants of the most gracious are only they who walk gently on earth and who, whenever the foolish address them, reply with words of peace. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse tells us what? To walk gently. So we should be careful about our walk. And second thing is we should be careful about our talk, because if there is something which we don't like, the foolish talk, we need not to react to that. We need not to take pain of those words, or we should not, take those words in this way, like why this person is saying, why it happened. It's okay, just ignore it. What Allah is telling you, if something happens which is not a pleasant one, just ignore it. This is the sign of the people who loves Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who are true servants of Allah. So we'll try to inculcate these qualities in us. And how can we develop these qualities? In today's lecture, we'll learn it. First, you tell me, what is an apology? Do you know what an apology is? So pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have tried the right one. And apology is an expression of regret for a mistake or wrong deed. Right? We all are human beings. We all make mistakes. Okay? So the feeling you have is a regret, and the expression you have is apology. How do you express about it? Whenever we make a mistake, what should we do? The first thing, accept it. Oh, it's my mistake. I did it wrong. Then say sorry, and then rectify that mistake. Correct that. It's okay. I did a mistake. I'm sorry for that. And I'm the person who is going to correct it. This is the behavior. Because beta, it's not possible that we don't make mistakes. Okay? We all are, to average human. We make mistakes. But what is the right attitude? When we make a mistake, we should accept it. We should say sorry. And we should try to correct that. These are the steps. And how do we do it? How do we offer an apology? I'm so sorry. Whatever. If I did something wrong, better to say sorry is not, like we should not be ashamed of saying sorry. Whenever there is a mistake, go to the relevant person. Like you were doing your sum, or you were like writing in your notebook, whatever your English teacher taught you, there was a mistake, go to your teacher and say to your teacher, teacher, I'm sorry, I could not comprehend. What did you say? Kindly explain it to me again. Teacher, I'm sorry, I could not understand. That's why I could not write it. This is the way, beta, because we are not perfect. This is how we learn. So accept your mistake and express it in proper way. All right? And your body language should tell that you are showing it. Oh, I'm sorry. It should like it should reflect from your body language as well. And say, I do apologize. Mama, I do apologize why I did not listen to you. Okay? All right. It's my fault. You were playing with your brother, something bad went, so it's my fault. I did it, it's my fault. Right away accept it and then correct it. So these are the ways how we can express and offer our apologies. And how to, if someone is saying sorry to you, what will you do? Will you accept it? Yes, beta, we should have a big heart. The way we want, whenever we are sorry, others should accept it. When other is saying sorry to us, we should accept it as well. We should have a big heart and we should say, it's okay, that's all right, no problem. Or, never mind, it's okay, I can understand. And don't apologize, it's okay, don't worry. These are the ways when someone is offering apology, this is the way we should accept it. We should not say, no, why you are sorry now? Why didn't you do that before? No, it's not the right way. When a person is accepting his or her mistake, we should have a heart to accept that apology. Are you getting it? So when we say, when we do a mistake, we should say sorry. And when someone is saying sorry to us and accepting his or her mistake, we should accept it and we should say, it's okay, no problem. All right. So this is what we are going to practice from your book. Let's see what does your book say about it. How do we make apologies? I'm sorry for my bad behavior. And when someone is saying this, how will you accept it? That's quite all right. And it was wrong because I did not get your point. It happens now, someone is saying and we are not understanding. So the things get wrong. So right away, it went wrong because I could not understand your point of view. Never mind. Or, will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Yes, of course, I forgive you. Okay, beta, this is how we should have a big heart and we should be very nice and kind to everyone. All right? Next time, I will take care. Ma'am, I'm sorry. Next time I will take care and I will prepare my test better. Please don't do it again. Okay? I don't want my child to waste his or her time. Don't do it again. Do your work on time. All right? Are you clear? How do we offer and how do we accept apology? Are you clear with that? So it's your turn now. And teachers, this is listening and speaking class. This is oral communication skills development. So make the students to speak maximum. This is how we can work on their language, their oral skills, okay? So how this activity is, teacher will make pairs of students. Each pair will be assigned a situation. And one student from the pair will offer an apology and the other will accept the apology. Do you understand? So teacher will make pairs. One will give them a situation. Now one is offering apology and the other child is accepting. So this is activity for the whole class. Make sure every child is going to participate. Pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Did you enjoy that? Wonderful. So now you are going to narrate in writing an incident when you offered apology or accepted someone's apology. This is your homework. You will narrate and write in your notebook the way we just learned. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will match these sentences with their functions. So where to say what, you will match them to the relevant sentences. And here you will use apologetic words to complete these sentences. So what we have learned today, we learned that apology is an expression of regret for a mistake or wrong deed. And we learned how to offer an apology. And we also learned how to accept an apology. And we practiced to offer and accept apology by using appropriate expressions in conversation. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to use appropriate expressions in conversation to offer and accept apology. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.